Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fill out the California DE-4 form step by step. Start with your personal information. Enter your first, middle, and last name. Then, write your social security number. After that, fill in your complete home address, including your city, state, and zip code. Next, choose your filing status. Select single or married with 2 or more incomes if that fits your situation. Choose married with 1 income if only one spouse works. Select head of household if you qualify under that status. Now move to the allowances section. Use Worksheet A to calculate your regular withholding allowances. Next, if you plan to claim estimated deductions, use Worksheet B to determine that number. Then enter the total number of allowances you are claiming by adding those amounts together. If you would like extra tax withheld from each paycheck, enter the additional dollar amount you want your employer to withhold each pay period. If you qualify for exemption from withholding, check the exemption box. You can claim exempt if you did not owe any federal or state income tax last year and do not expect to owe any this year. If you qualify under the Service Member Civil Relief Act due to military spouse rules, check the appropriate box for that exemption. Finally, read the certification statement. Sign and date the form. Then give the completed D-4 to your employer. If you do not submit this form, your employer will withhold state tax as single with 0 allowances. Thanks for watching.